What did we just do?
Well, I think we bought a travel trailer.
So it's the Bushwhacker.
Oh,
You're
not
gonna
for
get
long.
bushwhacked. Wow.
No.
So yeah, we just picked this one up. We literally just pulled out of the RV dealership and drove it to the campground. What do you think? You think something like this you could camp in?
Yes. Oh, yes.
It's not too bad.
No.
Bushwhacker. About a 10-foot, little off-road-ish RV. So you can cargo net on top or cage on top. That'll open up, have storage.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool for what we do. I got the back open so you can see the kitchen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can check that out. Got some nice looking tires.
Refrigerator here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
12 volt refrigerator.
Yep.
That's how you do it. So Trimmer pulls it like a champ,
Oh, yeah.
and we're pretty excited because this is a new chapter in our travels. So
Oh, yeah. No more tent camping.
no,
No more
let's
sleeping on
tap the
ground.
brakes on that because we're still going to do tent camping, but
I don't
this
have
is
to sleep on the ground.
this is just another way that we can get out and enjoy traveling a little more. So I got to get this thing set up before it gets dark. Stabilizer jacks. That's nice. It's got nice storage underneath the bed. Hook up power, shore power.
It's a little dark in there right now because we need to turn the lights on.
Let's see how this works. Put that in, and then it just screws on. Preferably without cross-threading it. There we go. Good to go. Plug it in. Looks like a 30 amp outlet. Should be alive. All right. Let's show you the galley before it gets real dark. Ooh, So we took our Bouge RV refrigerator. Works perfect, works off DC. DC will run when we're going down the road. It's got the sink, got a stove, Flame King. Parts of the furnace. So it's a 2021, so we bought it 1 year old. Got it for a bargain. It's got the nice knobby tires. Lots of lights, new pillows in here, whatnot. Looks pretty nice. It's got a Dometic furnace, so wintertime stay nice and warm. It's got a radio, TV hookups, carbon monoxide detectors, got the fire extinguisher, got the power roof vent. The door
All we need is TV.
is actually got a magnet that holds it open. Full tank of gas. Got the deep cycle battery. So pretty cool. Morning, everyone. Getting properly caffeinated. First night in the Bushwhacker. Pretty awesome. So First weekend of September. Actually cooled down a little bit for us. It's 65 degrees this morning, which is awesome. Last night we were able to have a fire. Burn ban was lifted. So just a fire, sitting around having a good time. Actually had some really cool neighbors. Had a bunch of firewood they offered us, and couldn't ask for anything better. Came rolling in a little late because we came in right after buying the Bushwhacker. We already had an agreement to purchase, so we rolled in there at 4:30 in the afternoon, signed some papers, went over a full demo on it, and bada bing, bada boom, we're on the road. So a couple hours later, we're at our campsite and just enjoying our little piece of paradise for one night. I got a bunch of cool trails you can wander through here, and don't know where I'm going, but it's a nice morning for a hike, so why not? Love nature. Oh yeah. Take on. First night in the Bushwhacker. Was it good?
Yes, it was great.
Yes. So didn't have to set up a tent, just go in there, have your air on. After having a great night out here, sitting around the campfire. Got the portable outhouse, so I didn't have to walk to the bathroom area. No, they did a great job. And so this one is actually the 10SS model. I think it means single side door, because most of them are 2 doors, one on each side, but this one only has the one, which works good for us.
Yeah.
Got the air on the one side, and we love it. We love it.
You can come inside.
Yep. You see a little better than you can at night. So, plus you got all the lights, and you got a stereo back there.
Hook up for TV.
Yep. So pretty cool. A lot of room in there for just the 2 of us.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's check on the breakfast. Well, that's going to do it for today's adventure. Thanks for joining us on our first camp out in the Bushwhacker at Purtis Creek State Park. Remember, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you down the road.